Singapore style elevated trail has started in Mumbai. Let's see how it looks. Come check this out. Few important things you need to know before starting this trail. You have to scan this barcode and book your tickets online. Once you book the tickets, you have to go to the main entrance. This is the main gate from where you need to enter. At the entrance, you just need to scan your barcode. Before starting the trail, make sure you read all the list of activities which are prohibited on the trail. Make sure you book your tickets online in advance as there are limited slots available per hour. There are a lot of birds here and everywhere it is written which birds is available and which area, and see, I can see a black kite there. You can also see the Queen necklace, the Marine Drive from here. One important aspect, pets are not allowed here. This place is open from 5 AM to 9 PM in the evening. Very important point, this place is also kids friendly.